Good morning. This is cause number 2020-24326. In the interest of King Glaspie, all parties, please raise your right hand and be sworn and unmute yourself, please. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, I do.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child. You can put your hand down.
Cantrell Howard. I am King Glaspie's mother.
All right. And for the state,
Good morning, Your Honor. Angela Jeffries for the Office of the Attorney General.
okay. Court will note that the non-custodial parent father is Rodney Glaspie. He's not present. He was personally served on October 1, 2020 at 10:08 a.m. at 1200 FM 655 Road TDCJ in Rosharon, uh, Texas. He did not file an answer. Is that correct, Ms. Jeffers, or he did?
He did not, Your Honor.
All right. He was given further notice of this Zoom hearing by certified mail, which was delivered on March 11th, 2021. That will proceed by default.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, at this time, I would like to offer into evidence what is marked as State's Exhibit A, the DNA testing that shows that Mr. Gillespie cannot be excluded as the father of King Gillespie.
Court will note that the DNA test report would indicate that the alleged father, Rodney Gillespie, is not excluded as the biological father of his tested child, Ken Gillespie, the child is subject to this suit. Okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. Give me 1 second, please.
Yes.
The state calls Cantrell Monique Howard. Ms. Howard, you're the mother of King Rodney Gillespie. Is that correct?
Correct.
And how old is King?
2.
All right. And when King was conceived, were you married to someone else, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Who were you married to, ma'am?
James Allen Howard.
Okay, but DNA testing, as you heard us read into the record, showed that actually Mr. Gillespie is the father of your child. Is that correct?
Correct.
All right. Now, you asking this court to find in line with those DNA testing results that Mr. Gillespie is the father of your child?
Yes.
All right. Now, as far as conservatorship, are you asking this court to appoint you as joint managing conservators, ma'am?
Yes.
Right. And do you believe that you can co-parent with Mr. Gillespie regarding the raising of King?
Yes.
All right. And to your knowledge, where is Mr. Gillespie at right now?
Incarcerated.
Okay. And to your knowledge, he's expected to be incarcerated longer than 90 days. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, you currently reside in Harris County. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And where is Mr. Gillespie incarcerated to your knowledge?
Stringfellow Unit in Sharon, Texas.
Okay, but you're asking this court to not place a geographical restriction on where you reside. Is that correct?
Yes.
Right. And why are you asking this court to not place a geographical restriction in this case?
California is my home. I have more help there and with supporting my child as if in school, working, I will be able to have more help there. I have another son that's there. And also that's just, where my family is, where the more support is, where my support system is in California. I've only been a resident here for about a year and a half. It's because I'm dealing with this court situation.
Okay. So as far as possession and access, you're asking that the court currently make no orders regarding that because of Mr. Gillespie's incarceration. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
All right. Now, because he's incarcerated, do you understand that child support in this case will be set at $0 beginning May 1st of 2021?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Do you have any private health insurance available for your son, ma'am, at this time?
No, ma'am.
Right. So you understand that we will order a government health insurance to be put in place, but that will also be $0 beginning May 1st of 2021 against Mr.
Yes,
Gillespie.
ma'am.
Okay. Now, as far as retroactive child support or back child support, are you seeking any retroactive or back child support in this case, ma'am?
No, ma'am.
Finally, okay, and then finally, if court costs are billed in this case, who do you believe they should be billed against?
Mr. Glaspie?
Okay, and have you already signed this order, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you believe this order to be in the best interest of your child?
May you repeat the question again, ma'am?
Do you believe the order to be in the best interest of your child?
Yes, I do.
All right, are you asking this court to approve this order, ma'am?
Yes, I am.
I have nothing further for this witness, Your Honor. I pass the witness.
All right, the court will approve the order submitted. Thank you very much.
Thank you. May we be excused, Your Honor?
Yes.
Ms. Howard, we can be excused. The only thing that I might want to add to this order is the provision regarding the incarceration. So